Did you know that in the sales role there's a range of charts which is extremely useful for forecasting and downloading? Click on Sales in the Partner Centre where you have everything listed from the inventory for your website and ePOS. Then click on the chart icon just to the right of your sales menu and you'll see a wealth of information here. Have a scoot through and a play around and get to know these charts because they really are a mine of information that's ideal to help you predict how many items you sold and which products are the most popular through a week, day, month, year, and be informed by this vital information. Obviously I'm speeding through this because it's a dummy store, but the merchants that are using it find it extremely useful to use for growing their business. Tillex sales charts also gives you historical data so you can measure against previous sales. So then I'll quickly download the data as a CSV file, double click to read the column, click on the sort and filter column and choose which items I want in a category to look at. But I'm not here to teach you Excel, I'm sure you all know how to do sorting. So if you're interested in knowing stuff like comparing last year's all orders, average basket size, in-store to online, you'll see that online shopping is vastly bigger and that people shop at 3 o'clock in the morning. So it means you can shut the shop and go do deliveries or place more advertising for online orders. Look at that, 2 AM to 3 AM. Brilliant. Right, hope that helps. Thanks, bye.